Now we will discuss about human behavior at various levels. Organizational behavior provides a way for understanding human behavior in the organization. Managers must know how the people in the organization behave and shape human behavior in definite direction of achieving certain predetermined objectives. The human behavior in the organization can be understood at individual level, interpersonal level, group level, intergroup level. Then first one is individual level. The behavior of human beings as a social creature is the first issue in behavioral science. It analyzes why and how an individual behaves in a particular way. Human behavior is a complex phenomenon and it is affected by a large number of factors: psychological, social, cultural, and others. Next one is interpersonal level. Man is a social animal. He can't live alone, so he interacts with others. Interpersonal interaction is normally in paired relationship with man's most natural attempts at socialization. It includes peer to peer relationship, superior subordinate relationship, मतलब इंटरपर्सनल हो जाती है, लाइक पर्सन टू पर्सन, और वो किसी भी लेवल पे हो सकती है, पैरेलल पे हो सकती है, या हम कह सकते हैं टॉप टू बॉटम, बॉटम टू टॉप, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं एक ही तरह के लोगों में. Next one is group level. People are generally modified by group pressures, which become a force in shaping human behavior. So, we study the individuals in group also. Group norms, cohesion, goals, communication, pattern, leadership, and membership have an impact on human behavior. तो यहाँ हम ग्रुप की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर ग्रुप में काम करते हैं तो इंडिविजुअल्स ग्रुप से अफेक्ट होते हैं, और जो सारा ग्रुप है वो इंडिविजुअल को अफेक्ट करता है. तो ह्यूमन नेचर वेरी करता है कि किस एटमॉस्फेयर में, किस एनवायरनमेंट में काम कर रहा है एक इंडिविजुअल. नेक्स्ट वन इज intergroup level. The organization is made up of many groups which follow a hierarchy of relationships to perform their activities very well. Intergroup relationship may be in the form of cooperation or competition. Understanding the effect of group relationship is important for managers in today's organization. It is seen that human behavior is caused by certain reasons. Behavior is the result of interaction between individual characteristics and the atmosphere in which behavior occurs. In other words, behavior is a function of both person and the environment. Symbolically, we may describe this as behavior is equal to the फंक्शन की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत हो गया ना, पर इक्वेशन में अगर हम दिखाना चाहें, पर्सन एंड एनवायरनमेंट. Okay.